On the item card in Business Central, we have actions relevant for the purchasers here in the ribbon. I'll just run through some of those to see what they are doing. First of all, we have on the navigate action in the purchase tab, we have vendors in here, and we can define if we have more than one vendor, which we could have set on the item card, but if we have more than one vendor, we could define here the vendor number and the vendor item number and the responding lead time calculation for that vendor. So in this way, it's possible to maintain many vendors for this item. If you also wanted to maintain several item numbers or global trade item numbers for one vendor, we have to do it in the cross-reference table. Then we have navigate on the purchase tab. We have the prepayment percentages, and here it's possible to set up for each vendor that we are buying this item from if we need to do some prepayment percentages, and we set it up in here. Still on navigate purchase tab, we have a list of orders and return orders, and those are both just list of purchase lines and purchase return order lines where these items are part of, and what is the vendor number and what is the document number, so we can navigate into the document directly from the item. And then on navigate on the special purchase and discount, we can set special prices for vendors for purchasing this item and special discount, and the prices are fixed prices, whereas the discount are percentages. So I could define per vendor number in here, in this item, per currency code, per unit of measure, per starting and ending date. I could define what is the cost for this item. Be aware, of course, if the currency code is filled in, you have to enter the direct unit cost in that currency code, and you could set up minimum amount, etc. And likewise, you could have chosen to set up or you can do both, the special price, so you could set up if you buy from whatever vendor in this currency code, in this minimum quantity, etc. You could set up a line discount, and it's the same structure, but this is just the percentages instead of a fixed price. And in the last action, you could see an overview of your purchase prices, so you can see a combination of the fixed prices and the line discount prices. So this is just to get a nice overview of this item. So these are the actions relevant for purchasers on the item card.